This is the F100 combo pack light. This is from Zhiyun, I don't know how the company is pronounced, but here it is. It's a fairly hefty box, so I hope the light itself isn't too heavy, but we're about to find out. Inside the box, looks like we have one package, which is a carrying case. It is in shrink wrap plastic. You can see it has their logo, has a handle, so that's nice. It's a really padded handle, so that's cool. Has their logo here, that's it. Let's see what's inside the box. All right, so we have some contents in this pocket here. Looks like we have a guidebook, quick start guide. This is the modifiers. Let's take a look at that. I don't know if these are included or not in the combo pack. I think they are, because these are instructions for how to use them. So the barn doors, the grid. Let's see if there's anything else. Nope, just same thing in different language. Okay, we have one of these snack packets. Don't eat that. Then we have, this seems pretty soft. This is probably the grid. Let's take a look in here. Yep, that is classic eggshell style grid with a little Velcro on it. So that's nice. It should open like so. So you can keep your light from spilling, which is nice because I'm going to be using this for light paint photography. So that's it for this pocket. Then on this side, we also have a small little card here. Not sure what that's for. In this bag, we have some sort of second bag. Oh, this is diffusion. So that's nice, stretchy. Also has a logo tag on it. That should fit right over the light. And now we'll get to the important thing. Wow, okay, not the lightest thing in the world. Feels really solid. Yeah, I could break my finger on that for sure. Here's the light itself. It has the barn doors pre-installed. It has a bunch of fans on the back. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fans. We have a screen here for control, power button, and then we have 4 buttons on the dial itself. So let's see if it's charged at all. Hold that, turns on. Looks like the light is on in here. So open these barn doors. Okay, that's pretty bright. That looks cool. There we go. And then I can control the power, I think, by just spinning here. So I'm going up now. We're at 100% power. So, hey Google, turn off desk lamp and skylight. So that is pretty bright. It's lighting up my whole desk and computer screen. You can see the reflection of it. Now I'm going to go down in power. You can see it getting lighter and lighter. That's 0%. Hopefully you can see that, 0%. That's 1%. And then we can get brighter and brighter and brighter. Cool. If I click the power button again, it does nothing. If I tap up, it goes to CCT maximum. So that's cool. There's like a quick shortcut button to jump up just by tapping at the top. And then tap back to go to whatever percentage you were at before, I guess. We have a battery meter. We have special effects modes. Like this is the candlelight flicker mode. So if you look at that, it looks like there's a candle burning here, which is pretty cool. Let's see, I can control the brightness of that mode. If I go down, I have HSL mode, so I can control different colors of it. So you can see it's changing, more green, different shades of green, etc. So CCT, CCT maximum, special effects. Okay, hey Google, turn on skylight. I'm going to turn this off. All right. Barn doors, pretty easy to close. And I think they do come off if you want them off. At the bottom, we have a regular tripod mount. So if you want to mount it on a light stand or a tripod, you can. On here, we have a cable cover. Let's see which way this goes. Like that. So it has a USB-C port for charging, which is nice. And then it also has a DC power adapter. And then in here, last thing we have is the DC power adapter itself. So we have that piece. This is pretty heavy, so that's why the case itself is heavy, because it's that plus the light. And then we have a 3-prong power cord extender. So that is the F100 from Zhiyun, whatever you want to call it. That's the light here, and I'm very excited to use this for some light painting photography.